I have just one slide to share with you today, so hopefully you can see that okay. Yes, Iffy's very kindly given me just a few minutes to highlight the Women's Engineering Climate Emergency Group, which we were very excited to form last year. So this talk very much featured in terms of connecting with Sustainable Development Goal number 2. And the group came about due to our combined passion and interest in the climate emergency and wanting to do something practical as engineers and professionals to address that. And it came out of the International Women in Engineering Day celebrations of last year, last June, where we celebrated the top 50 women who were working and operating in the field of sustainability. And so we invited those members, and a few others have joined us since, and we've got over 40 members now of our climate emergency group. And you can see the aims of the group there as to provide a platform for knowledge sharing, for engineers of all disciplines, and to share experiences and develop a better understanding between us. And I think what WES has to offer, which is quite unique, you know, in terms of compared to the discussions I've been party to with other professional engineering institutions, what WES has is, apart from the diversity and inclusion element, is this multi-sector, multidisciplinary membership. So the discussions and debates we have are much further far-reaching and just altogether more comprehensive. So I think many parties are recognising that the climate emergency does need this sort of system of systems approach, this sort of integrated infrastructure, knitting together all of the engineering and environmental and societal issues that are addressing and impacting on that the climate emergency is going to impact on, but obviously food security, water security, which is obviously what you're talking about today. I think, you know, that it's a great community, and we've had some fantastic conversations already, and we've got some subgroups that have been set up looking at SDGs for food, for well-being, for water, for energy, for infrastructure, smart cities, consumption and resource management, wildlife and ecosystems. And we're finding when we come back together and have conversations that all of these SDGs are interconnected, which is what Professor O'Brien was just referring to, with at least 10 of the 17 connecting to food and water. And so as I'm a civil engineer and a chartered environmentalist, I'm particularly interested in the infrastructure that's needed to support communities and wildlife. So this is the first talk that we are sharing and highlighting as part of a schedule of programme seminars leading up to COP26. We're very excited about that opportunity to contribute to COP26. And so we're going to have a variety of seminars that will be broadcast at a variety of times over the coming months. So I'm sure if you will share those details as and when they become available. So thank you, Iffy, very much for giving me the chance just to flag the work of the Women's Engineering Society and the work that we're doing on the SDGs. Thank you.